The 2026 Toyota FJ Cruiser marks the triumphant return of one of Toyota's most beloved off-road vehicles, blending retro-inspired design with modern technology and performance. After years of speculation, Toyota has revived the FJ Cruiser as a rugged, adventure-ready SUV that stays true to its roots while embracing the latest advancements in engineering. Designed for those who crave exploration beyond the pavement, the new FJ Cruiser delivers uncompromising capability, durability, and a distinct personality that sets it apart from the growing field of off-road SUVs. Under the hood, the 2026 FJ Cruiser comes with a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. This is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth power delivery and improved efficiency. For purists, Toyota offers a 6-speed manual transmission option, making the FJ one of the few modern SUVs to cater to off-road enthusiasts who prefer a hands-on driving experience. A hybrid variant is also available, featuring Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system, which combines a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering a blend of power and fuel efficiency for those who want an eco-friendly adventure machine. The FJ Cruiser remains a true off-roader at heart. Equipped with a full-time four-wheel drive system, an electronically locking rear differential, and Toyota's multi-terrain select system with adjustable drive modes for mud, sand, snow, and rock crawling. A reinforced body-on-frame construction ensures maximum durability, while an independent front suspension and solid rear axle provide the perfect balance between comfort and ruggedness. The FJ boasts an impressive 11 inches of ground clearance, 35-inch all-terrain tires, and a new adaptive suspension system that adjusts damping based on terrain conditions. Water fording capability has been improved to 34 inches, making it one of the most capable SUVs in its class. The exterior design pays homage to the original FJ40 and the previous FJ Cruiser while incorporating modern touches. The signature round LED headlights are housed in a bold front grille with Toyota's heritage badge, while a retro-style white roof and wraparound windows give it that classic FJ look. The boxy shape remains, with short overhangs to enhance approach and departure angles, and the iconic rear-hinged suicide doors make a return for easier access to the cabin. Functional skid plates, rock sliders, and optional steel bumpers provide additional protection for extreme off-road adventures. Toyota offers a wide range of factory accessories, including a snorkel, roof-mount LED light bars, and a roof rack capable of carrying everything from kayaks to rooftop tents. Inside, the cabin blends rugged durability with modern convenience. The dashboard is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring waterproof and dust-resistant materials that make cleanup after an off-road adventure effortless. A 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Toyota's latest software provides wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and satellite navigation with off-road trail maps. A fully digital driver display offers real-time vehicle diagnostics, including pitch and roll angles, tire pressure, and compass data. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium JBL sound system, and an optional built-in air compressor for tire inflation round out the interior's adventure-ready features. Toyota has packed the 2026 FJ Cruiser with advanced safety technology, including Toyota's Safety Sense 3 with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system with off-road spotter mode helps navigate tight trails, while an optional trail assist mode acts as a low-speed off-road cruise control for technical climbs and descents. With its retro-modern styling, powerful performance, and legendary off-road capability, the 2026 Toyota FJ Cruiser is the ultimate adventure vehicle for those who refuse to follow the beaten path. Whether exploring remote trails, conquering rocky terrain, or simply standing out on city streets, the new FJ Cruiser is built to go anywhere and do anything, just like its legendary predecessors.